Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss logical operators in Python. Before going to start today's session, let us try to recall what have we discussed in our last session. Why we use relational operators, chaining of relational operators, which value will be returned by relational operators, how to separate two variables in a single line, compound assignment operators. After watching this video, you will be able to know about compound condition, Boolean operators, logical operators and its types, return value of all logical operators, how to implement logical operators. So we started the concept operators in the lecture 12. In lecture 12, we discussed basic concept of the operators and about arithmetic operators. Next, in the lecture 13, we discussed about relational operators and assignment operators. If you didn't watch those two videos, watch those videos for the better understanding of this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about logical operators. And bitwise operators, special operators will be covered in the coming videos. Let us start. What is logical operator? Logical operators are used to construct compound condition. Then, what is compound condition? The compound condition is combination of simple conditions. So in the last video, we learnt how to frame a simple condition using relational operators. So here we are using two conditions which are created with help of the relational operators, and we are trying to combine them using the logical operators. That complete condition is called compound condition. See the example. 2 less than 5 is one condition. So here we are using relational operator. By using the relational operator, we can create the conditions we learnt in the previous video already. So this is condition 2, 20 greater than 10. So we have two simple conditions. Now I want to combine them. To combine simple conditions, we use logical operators. So now this entire condition is called compound condition. Logical operators are Boolean operators. Boolean operators act upon Boolean type literals or Boolean type values and provide again Boolean type as result. Simply we can say that input and output for the Boolean operators are Boolean types only. So here all the logical operators returns either true or false. So logical operators also Boolean operators. We have three types of the logical operators. First one is logical AND. Second one is logical OR. Third one is logical NOT. Now let us discuss these one by one. This logical AND operator returns true if both operands or expressions are true. To implement this logical AND operator, we use the keyword AND. See this example. I have one condition 2 less than 5. The truth value of 2 less than 5 is obviously true. In the same way, I have condition 2. The condition is 20 greater than 10. So the truth value of this condition is also true. Now I want to combine these two conditions with logical AND operator. Now it becomes compound condition. So what is the value will be returned by this compound condition is true, because two values are true. So the final value becomes true. That is the rule of logical AND. Other than this case, in all the remaining cases, logical AND returns false. Now let us try to implement logical AND. Here directly I am taking Boolean literals or Boolean values. Already we know that we have only two Boolean values, those are true and false. So in this case, observe, I am taking true and true. Those are combined with logical and. Run it. See, the output is true. So true and true becomes true. Then let us check false and true. The output is false. So as we discussed, whenever two values are true, then only the output becomes true. In all the remaining cases, the output becomes false. In the same way, check out true and false, also false, and false, also false. Now see one more example. X assignment 10, Y assignment 20. Now I want to print X less than 50 and Y less than 10 truth value. So here X less than 50 is true and Y greater than 10 is also true. So it must return true. Let us try to execute this. The output is true. So next one is logical OR operator. Logical OR operator returns true if either of the operands or expression is true. So the meaning is, if we have two operands, if at least one value is true, then the final value becomes true. To implement this logical OR operators, we use the keyword OR. See this example, I have one condition, 2 less than 5, so that is true. And we have one more condition, 20 is equal to 10, so this is false. If we combine these two conditions with logical OR, so what will be the final output? One value is true, one value is false. The condition about the logical OR, if at least one value is true, then the final value becomes true. Then see the return value, it returns true. See the implementation of logical OR. In case of one operand value is true, one operand value is false, and we are combining those two with help of logical OR. The final value is true because we have one true value. In the same way, false or true returns true, true or true returns true, false or false return false. See this example, X assignment 10, Y assignment 20. So now I want to print the truth value of X less than 50, logical OR, Y greater than 70. In this case, X less than 50 is true because X value is 10. Y greater than 70 is false because Y value is 20. 20 greater than 70 is false. Then try to execute this. Now see, the final value is true because X less than 50 is true. Now see about the logical NOT. It returns true if the operand value is false, and it returns false if the operand value is true. Simply we can say that it complements the truth value of operand. True value becomes false, false value becomes true. To implement this logical NOT, we use the keyword NOT. See the example, we have one condition 96 less than or equals to 80. So this is false. But if you write the keyword NOT before the condition, the truth value of this statement is true, because false becomes true whenever we use NOT. Now see the implementation about the logical NOT. So I am writing true, but before the true I am writing NOT. Then check the output, it becomes false. And we have the false, before that I am writing NOT. Run it, it becomes true. See this example, X assignment 10, print X less than 20. We stored the value 10 in the X na, so 10 less than 20. That is true, so that prints true. Now I am using the same expression X less than 20, but before that expression I am writing the keyword NOT. Now run it, print X less than 20, output is true because 10 less than 20 is true. Now coming to this, true value becomes false. Now check out what have you learnt from this video. What is compound condition? What is the input and output for the Boolean operators? How many types of the logical operators we have in the Python? What are the keywords we use for logical operators? If this video is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and share it. Thank you.